Are you recording or no?
Yeah.
This is gonna be on the blooper reel. Okay, what's up, y'all? It's Ted from TEDTalksBass.com. My students are laughing at me. Look, you're about to see the worst unboxing video ever because I gotta edit that part in. You guys know that I made the video about the SIRE bass being too heavy. SIRE sent me a new bass. Let me just be 100 about it. When I first opened it, so my interface and all that stuff was not working last night. So the little playing part I did last night was whack. I'm with my students. So I came to the school today. I plugged it up. It's going into a Fender Rumble. I haven't done anything. It's the same strings that are on the bass. To be honest, when I first opened it up, I was a little bit underwhelmed. And then, the build quality is dope. It's definitely an upgrade. This wood cover on the back from that plastic is dope. The roll frets are dope. When I plugged it in and started playing, that's when I noticed the magic. I'm gonna play a little something. Elisa's gonna sing a little something, right?
Yeah. I got your back.
You got my back?
Period.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find a love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. Wonder what is wrong with me. I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know I got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go.
Bridge.
People roam around the world for love, but they will never find what they dream of. What you won't do, you do for love, yeah. You tried everything, but you can't give up. In my world, only you. What I would not do, make me do